If you want to force quit an app on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to force quit an app, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open the recent apps section. Now to force quit the app, just swipe up the app and close it from the background. Now if you are unable to close the app from the recent apps section, then just perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And after you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after you've done that, then just go to your home screen and you will see that your issue is fixed. Now if you want to stop the apps from refreshing in the background, then just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Background App Refresh, and from here just disable the toggle for the apps which you don't want to refresh in the background. Just like that. Now if you mean by force quit to force stop an app, so this option is not available on iPhones. This option is only available on Androids, since on iPhones if you close an app from the recent app section, it will stop running in the background. And this is how you can force quit an app on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.